So today I'm going to replace the brake fluid of my 2013 Toyota Highlander. And the thing important in today's job is I'm not going to remove the wheels. No special tools are required. Just one man, single person doing the job for the drain, bleed and flush. So let's see how it goes. So the brake fluid I'm going to use is this. This is the bottle which will be used for draining and during the bleeding. In my other video for doing the same job on Toyota Camry, you can see how this bottle and setup is prepared. It's pretty simple. Basically, this tube is routed down right up till the bottom so that it is continuously dipped in any old brake fluid. And then when the new brake fluid comes through it during the bleeding, air will not enter the system. So it's simple. Now there is ample clearance under the car at this time, so from accessing those brake bleeders there and there, so I will not need to raise the backside of the car or use any ramps. So I just start the work from here. This is what the brake fluid looks like after almost 10 years, 75,000 miles. So it has been gently used, that's why the brake fluid is still not very dirty, slightly dirty. So we'll start the work. I'll be using two 10 mm spanners, the open end and the box offset one. This is used for cracking it open, the bleeder valve, and this one for the finer control of the bleeder valve. So I'll start from this side first. This is the bleeder nipple. I have to remove the rubber cap on it. This is it, the rubber cap. So using the 10 mm offset spanner just to crack it a little bit. Yeah. So cracked it. Fix this tubing on it. Make sure it is pretty snug. Yeah, this is it. And loosen this like this. And then start pressing the brake pedal, which will start the bleeding. After pressing the brake pedal for 8 times, I refill brake fluid in the reservoir to make sure it does not get low. So I filled it to the top and then we'll continue the bleeding. Side, as you can see in the pipe, it seems like the fluid is clear. And just one more pump and then I'll stop. So this side is done. I'll just close the bleeder valve, go to the other side and then the front. So this side is done. I have tightened the bleeder valve and put the rubber cap back on. Now going to the other side. Now let's do the front wheels. So first this one and then the other side. So I think we have ample access from down here, so I'll show you. So let's remove the bleeder cap first. The cap is removed. Let's loosen this. I don't think so. It is 10 mm. Looks like 8, but I'll confirm. Yes, this is 8 mm. Attaching the rubber tubing. I have fast forwarded the bleeding. So tighten the bleeder valve. Remove the pipe. Install the rubber cap. So clean brake fluid has come from this line also. So this was the last wheel. So the job is complete. I have filled the reservoir to the proper level. Make sure everything is fine. So I'll just start the car and take it for a test drive just to make sure everything is working fine. And all it took was around 1 hour, less than 1 hour, single person, without removing the wheels, no special tools. So you can do it yourself also. Thanks for watching.